Home comfort goes beyond furniture, decor, or even insulation. Your windows play one of the most important roles in maintaining a pleasant indoor environment. In Weston, where warm weather, humidity, and seasonal rain are part of daily life, properly installed windows can make all the difference in how your home feels and performs. While many homeowners focus on choosing the right window materials or styles, professional installation is just as critical. Even the highest quality windows won't deliver their full benefits if they're not installed with precision and care. Let's explore how expert window installation enhances comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind for Weston homeowners. Airtight seals eliminate drafts and hot spots. One of the most common comfort issues in homes with older or poorly installed windows is air leakage. Gaps around window frames allow outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape, leading to uncomfortable drafts and inconsistent indoor temperatures. Professional window installers ensure a tight, weatherproof seal that eliminates these air leaks. They use precise measurements, insulation, and sealing materials to create a barrier between your home and the outdoors. The result? No more cold spots near windows during cooler months or warm, stuffy areas in the summer. Your indoor environment stays consistently comfortable, no matter the weather outside. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Comfort and efficiency go hand in hand. Poorly installed windows can waste significant energy by allowing cool air to leak out during Weston's hot months, forcing your air conditioning to work harder. This not only strains your HVAC system but also drives up your energy bills. Professional window installation ensures your windows perform at their best, helping to maintain stable indoor temperatures. When combined with energy-efficient glass and insulated frames, your windows will reflect heat, reduce UV rays, and minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler while reducing energy costs. Over time, the savings from reduced energy usage can easily offset the cost of professional installation. Better moisture protection and indoor air quality. Weston's humid climate makes moisture control especially important. Improperly installed windows can allow condensation and rainwater to seep through gaps, leading to mold, mildew, and even structural damage. Professional installers understand how to properly flash and seal windows to prevent water infiltration. They also ensure proper drainage, so rainwater flows away from your home instead of seeping inside. By keeping moisture out, professional installation not only protects your home's structure but also preserves indoor air quality, essential for a healthy and comfortable living space. Reduced outside noise for a peaceful environment. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about tranquility. Homes in Weston can experience outdoor noise from traffic, landscaping, or nearby activity. Professionally installed windows, especially those with double or triple pane glass, act as sound barriers, significantly reducing noise pollution. Proper installation prevents gaps that allow sound vibrations to pass through. With sealed, well-fitted windows, you'll enjoy a quieter home that promotes relaxation, better sleep, and a more peaceful atmosphere. Smooth operation and longevity. When windows are installed correctly, they open, close, and lock smoothly without sticking, rattling, or requiring extra force. Poor alignment or incorrect fitting can lead to friction, warping, or premature wear, issues that not only affect comfort but also compromise safety and energy performance. Professional installers ensure that each window is perfectly level, balanced, and secured. This precision prevents mechanical issues, extends your window's lifespan, and reduces maintenance costs in the long run. Enhanced aesthetics and home value. Professional window installation doesn't just improve performance, it also elevates your home's appearance. Crooked frames, uneven caulking, or visible gaps can make even new windows look sloppy. Skilled installers ensure clean lines, seamless finishes, and a polished look that enhances your curb appeal. Additionally, properly installed, energy-efficient windows are a major selling point for future buyers. They show that your home is well maintained and built for comfort, helping increase property value in Weston's competitive real estate market. Final thoughts: your windows have a bigger impact on home comfort than you might realize, but that impact depends on how well they're installed. Professional window installation ensures airtight seals, improved energy efficiency, moisture protection, and quieter interiors, making your Weston home more enjoyable year-round. From eliminating drafts to lowering energy bills, expert installation is the key to maximizing your window's performance and your family's comfort. So, when it's time to replace or upgrade your windows, trust a professional team that understands Weston's climate, building codes, and design standards. With proper installation, your new windows won't just look great, they'll make your home feel better in every way.